Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Heisenberg Uncertainty Interactive Calculator, a precision tool that quantifies the fundamental limits of simultaneous measurements in quantum mechanical systems. This calculator solves the critical engineering problem of determining minimum uncertainties when designing quantum sensors, electron microscopes, and precision measurement instruments. Let's examine the interface. First, you'll see the Select Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate minimum position uncertainty delta x, calculate minimum momentum uncertainty delta p, calculate minimum energy uncertainty delta e, calculate minimum time uncertainty delta t, calculate minimum angular momentum uncertainty delta l, and verify uncertainty product compliance. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate minimum position uncertainty delta x. Below the dropdown, you'll find 6 input fields: momentum uncertainty, delta p in kilogram meters per second, position uncertainty, delta x in meters, time uncertainty, delta t in seconds, energy uncertainty, delta e in joules, angle uncertainty, delta theta in radians, and angular momentum uncertainty, delta L, in joule seconds. For verification mode, there are 2 additional fields: position uncertainty delta x and momentum uncertainty delta p. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine we're designing an electron microscope. We'll enter a momentum uncertainty delta p of 5.3 times 10 to the negative 24 kilogram meters per second. After clicking Calculate, the results section shows our minimum position uncertainty delta x equals approximately 1 nanometer. This output represents the absolute physical limit of spatial resolution achievable with our electron beam parameters. No amount of engineering refinement can surpass this quantum mechanical boundary. One critical insight: always verify your uncertainty products meet the minimum threshold before finalizing sensor specifications. Find the link in the description below.